We've got two boats out today. The Supersonicwake with the 4070 motor, experimenting with that, 1060 kV. We took it out yesterday and had the 46mm prop on there, way too small, it just couldn't push the boat, all cavitation. So I've got a 52 on there now. Second day on the road, we forgot to bring the heat gun, which I just thought of then, but oh well. Yesterday everything was stone cold, like it just come out the fridge. So I'm expecting this 52 to be about right. I could have done the calculation, I suppose, with the 880 that we had a 55 on there. I could have done the percentage thing to see what prop would be ideal, but it should be around about this, I think. The Spartan SR has got all the upgrades on it, and I've just put the double trim tabs on it just now. We've never had the double trim tabs on there before. It's got a wire drive in it. It's got our 44mm upgrade prop on it. I think everything else is standard inside the boat.
Everything's standard. Same
motor, same speed controller. Yep. So yeah, that's going to do around about the 80k an hour thing. And this one was doing with the little prop on it yesterday, 65. So with this prop they should be about even, I guess. Let's see what we got. So just don't come too fast back this way because the wind's kind of going that way. This is definitely going better.
Yeah.
I'll come on this side of you for the video. How's that sitting at speed, Brock? How's that sitting? Is it? Oh, stable though.
Very. Wow.
It's like it's on rails.
Much better than it was last time we used it, which was ages ago now, but...
Yeah. I'll follow you. Okay.
Never had a hold this like that before.
Yeah, it's stable for that one. For that one. One doesn't have the pickup of yours. Like
yeah,
it's kind of winding up a bit. Go over there more and we'll see what top speed is as they're going past us.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm on it. Oh shit. Yeah. It's a bit rough here, like a bit windy here for the Spartan. A bit too close for comfort there.
I wasn't even going to nail it then, but then when I saw you right about to hit me, I do something.
Remember what the disruptor did to the recoil, bro? Could be revenge this time. The Proboat will kill the Traxxas this time. Oh shit!
It's rough.
I kind of turned it. I don't know.
That's how I flipped that.
I kind of flipped it when I turned it when I shouldn't have.
Flat out pass. I was on the turn. I didn't like it. Alright, go right down there and just stop it and I'll turn and we'll take off at the same time. Okay.
and just see what we get. I'll go on the inside like that. Alright, hang on. Alright. Just idle a little bit. Just to get the water out of them. Okay, go. Oh shit.
I thought it was going to hit the wall there.
Yeah. The Spartan definitely takes off quicker. I think the top speed's similar. Not going to be too much in it. I'm flat out.
Tiny bit more on the Spartan, I think. Only a little bit though. It'd be a matter of like 2 or 3 k's an hour. That's a good into the wind like you though.
Well, I think I've taken it out of my batteries now. Doesn't feel quite as punchy, so I'll just bring it in. I can get it. Let's see what speed we got here. 75. Oh, motor's pretty cool though. Speed control is cold as. Motor is barely even warm. Okay. Batteries are barely warm. So nothing's even close. Wires are cold.
Oh yeah.
So time for a bigger prop. So we only did 75.
Yeah.
But definitely a good bashing thing. Remember the standard speed on this boat was like 67. Okay, we'll get a bigger prop on there for tomorrow.